Have you got any homework?
No, actually, I've done it all.
You're kidding me.
I'm not.
Show me your homework diary, which I haven't signed, which needs signing.
No, I wasn't.
That's not Mum's signature. That is not Mum's signature. Neither's that one. Neither's that one. Neither's that one. Neither's that one. Neither's that one.
I'm getting better, aren't I?
Neither's that one. That one is Mum's signature. So I want to see that then. Show me this. Don't forge your mother's signature, Tom, in your homework diary.
And I did. That page, that page. Yeah, that...
Is that finished?
Yeah.
2A. Very nice, neat writing there, mate. Well done. So perhaps I ought to sign this week. I'll put my number on there so they can check. Yeah.